yn Leicester Square, Llundain ar gyfer premier Fool's Gold, ffilm newydd Kate Hudson a Matthew McConaughey. Hey, hey, hey! Ho, ho, ho! Walla, walla, bing, bong! Yabba, dabba, hoop, hoop, yeah! Fool's Gold. Hi girls. Hi. I'm just saying you're looking very nice tonight.
Oh, thank you.
Because I've noticed, because I, like a lot of the young girls, read all the magazines, okay, you've had a bit of a makeover recently?
Yeah, a little bit, don't we?
What happened?
Well, we just like, we decided to like model agency first, and then we felt like we wanted to give them like a high fashion look rather than just like all girly. So like we just been testing out loads of different clothes, we've got like a stylist, and it's like really fun.
It's working.
Yeah, it's like good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, we love it.
Are you fans of Matthew McConaughey?
Yeah, we love that Kate Hudson so much. I'm so excited to watch this film because I think it's going to be such a girly chick flick, so we love it.
Have you seen them?
Not yet.
They've just gone in. They both look very good.
It's just so pretty, so we've actually done definitely.
Any plans for the future? Have you been busy?
We just like mainly concentrated on the modelling now, just want like push that bit really down really.
Well, good luck with everything.
Thanks so much.
Enjoy the evening.
Bye.
Mae'n nos a gan i gynnu achos ydym hi ysgrifennu mewn obsesiwn efo Matthew McConaughey. Dwi eisiau ffeindio fan os o gallu teimlo yr un ffordd amdani hi. Sydd yn edrych fel cwpl. Sut mae'n mynd i allu dweud na? On the movie.
Oh, thanks.
I'm a personal. I just lost my head there. I'm a huge fan of romantic comedies in general. What do you think is so special about this one?
Well, it's an adventure. It's an adventure, comedy, romance, and it's got a lot. You know, it's a very different kind of setting than I think we're used to in a typical romantic comedy. You know, the director kind of put it in a way that I really like because this genre is kind of taking over by animation. You know, that adventure.
Yeah.
You know, and so it was really fun to be able to be, you know, active and learn how to dive, and you know, you don't usually get to do that.
New challenges.
Yeah, you're usually wearing pencil skirts in romantic comedy.
Look, I'm very uncomfortable. I was going to ask you, do you have any tips on how to look elegant in the cold? Because my knees are shaking.
No, because I'm not doing it.
Why? Thank you. Dwi'n gallu gweld o, mae o yn sefyll just yma na. Mae o'r ffordd i siarad efo ni, gobeithio. O, fydd o'n fe'n cael. Hi Matthew, nice to meet you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Now, congratulations on the film. Really enjoyed it. But I've got to mention my co-presenter because she couldn't be here tonight, and she's got a slight obsession with you. Look what I stole from her purse. It's a, have you seen Friends? Laminated, top 5. Look who's number 1. Look who it is.
There we go.
Okay.
There we
so
go.
I promised that I'd show you this, which is,
Lena.
look, this is what she'd look together. That's her. Isn't she beautiful? What do you think?
Oh, Lena.
Eh? It's Chinos. It's a bit of a set.
Linas.
Yeah. What do you think?
Thank you, Linas.
Marks out of 10?
Happy to be your number 1.
Because she was so devastated she couldn't be here, but I get to meet her instead.
Fair play.
She had one request now. You're going to think I'm a little bit weird, but she wants me to squeeze your bicep. Is that just gently?
I hope you'll lean out when I meet her.
Yeah? Can I have your chewing gum? Thank you. Nes I drio dwy'n y gwmpno i fi beth. Ond oedd o'n licio chdi hynna? Ie?